pausing today, mostly trading lower compared to yesterday. And the precious metals are mainly on a back footing this morning, with the sentiment being generally bullish on the prospects for, of course, a greater fiscal spending out in the United States when Joe Biden becomes the president in a few weeks' time. If we look at today's 3-month contracts at the LME, we can see that the copper price is almost unchanged. The aluminium price is losing about 0.44%, trading at $2,018 a ton. We can see the zinc price is losing almost 1.8%. Nickel is losing 1.10% this morning, trading at 17,905, so below the mark of 18,000, which was reached yesterday. Lead is losing about 0.3%, trading at $2,027 a ton, while tin is losing roughly the same, 0.3%, trading at $21,155 a ton. On the precious metals market, we can see that the spot gold price, the ounce, is trading at $1,907, and silver is trading at almost $27 the ounce, so down by about 0.5%, while palladium is trading at 2,420, unchanged, and platinum is up by 0.5%, trading at $1,122 an ounce. On the currency market, on the forex market, despite actually this Democratic win in the Senate, the US dollar index is firmer this morning, is quoting at 89.91 points, after we saw a low yesterday at 89.62. The euro against the dollar is almost unchanged compared to yesterday evening, trading at 122.30. If we look at the economic calendar today, the main focus will be the monthly US employment rate coming out. The data of Japan, which already came out earlier this morning, showed leading indicators rising at 96.6% compared to 94.3% in November. The other key data coming out today will be definitely in Germany and in France. The industrial production prices, the trade balances will come out. From France, we will have the consumer spending data coming out, Italian and EU unemployment rates, and also later on this afternoon, we will have US data on the wholesale inventories and on the consumer credits. So basically the base metals are off their highs and are consolidating today, but with a possible exception, we see in aluminium and lead as actually the trends looks quite strong for both metals. Aluminium and lead prices have struggled to get back to the high ground and seem to look a little bit toppy. With this underlying sentiment, which seems extremely strong in the market, you have asked how much more good news can be backed actually into those prices levels before we really see some massive profit taking and some consolidation which is setting in. But as we mentioned earlier this week, while Biden is expected actually to announce new fiscal stimulus measures, he may well take also a firmer stand actually on trying to rein in the spread of COVID-19, which could actually lead to more lockdowns also in the United States. And that could hit definitely nearby demand for metals. Have a good weekend.